And here we are, fucking Saturday, 1541 at 19 seconds, year 2022, 8th month, August, and the 6th day. So here we are at the Vice. Oh shit, I could bring this fucking Vice outside. Fuck being inside here in the fucking hot. Yeah, we're gonna go fucking outside. Anyway, here's something cool. In case we just got new cymbals for the fucking drum, so we might get some footage out of this sucker. Anyway, so that gives you a little bit of. We just got the new cymbals here. We'll show you the cymbal setup. Might as well show you I set up here. We just got one of those right there, and we got two of these just hanging loose on here, just hanging loose with each other, hanging over the fucking drum. But we just got those the other day. And otherwise, we've been fucking crunched the fuck out of this one. And the other one's fucking beat to shit wherever it went. It was just fucking pulverized. Fucking shredded. Anyway, we must have threw it somewhere. So, we'll put you back in here, then we'll go outside. Back in this little box here.